Hi, this is Kyle with MarineMax Charleston. I want to take you aboard my new listing. This is a 2022 Regulator 25. It's powered by twin Yamaha 250s with Helmmaster. There's a ski tow bar here, large live well with 2 lids. We have stowable aft seating, rocket launchers top and bottom, and plenty of tackle storage. Moving up to the helm, there's very comfortable seating. Got collapsible footrests, joystick for the Helmmaster. We have Fusion audio with speakers, twin Garmin displays, and then we have a vented windshield. On the starboard side of the center console, you'll notice a large spacious head with your battery switches and a porcelain toilet. Moving up to the bow, you'll notice very comfortable, thick padded seats. There's storage underneath all 3 areas. We also have storage underneath the floor. As someone who's almost 6 foot, you can tell how much room you have. Headrests are removable along with all the cushions if you wanted to set this up for a fishing platform. And moving up here, you have your windlass. And of course, nice stainless steel hardware throughout. I want to thank you guys for coming along and taking a tour of this 2022 Regulator 25. I'm Kyle Scanlon, the brokerage consultant with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any interest in this boat or any of our others, you can visit us at MarineMax.com.